Hey there! Ever worried about losing your Xiaomi phone and not being able to find it? Well, you are in luck because today we are diving into the Find My Device feature. I'll show you how to turn it on and off so you can keep your phone secure and always know where it is. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Password and Security. Then tap on Privacy. Next, select Find My Device. After that, hit the switch to turn it on or off, depending on your preference. Now, you'll need to enter your phone's password. Then, once you have entered the password, the status of the Find My Device feature should update accordingly. And there you go. That's how you can easily enable or disable the Find My Device feature on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your Android phone, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we have got plenty more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!